What's up guys, in today's video I am going to show how to create your own pages in Elementor and import into your website. So let's start. So guys, first of all you have to go to your save templates and then pages, and in this section you have to click on this button, select that page and then the page name. I'm going to give it about us, create template. So now I am going to add columns, full width, vertical line, middle, overflow hidden, and then I am going to give it two sections. After that I am going to give it image. You have to select your image. I am going to select from gallery, and then I am going to give it title. First of all, heading, this is about us, and I am going to give it tagline or something text. So as you can see guys, we have added the text and image, and this video is not about the UI UX. This is just about how you can create your pages in Elementor and import into your websites. And then go to the pages, and now I am going to edit any page with Elementor, and now I am going to click on this icon, and as you can see, pages, blogs and templates, you have to click on template, and this is our page. You have to insert it, apply. So as you can see, we have imported Elementor page into our website. I am going to view this page. So now the page is showing there. So guys, by this way you can create your Elementor pages, and you can also take the backup of these pages, and you can also import into another website. Just go to templates and pages, and as you can see, you can export template there, save it, and then from there you can import it. And now you have to click on import now. So as you can see, the same page is imported, and by this way you can create your own pages, and you can import, export any Elementor pages by this way. And guys, if you find our video useful, don't forget like, subscribe and share. Finally, thanks for watching.